This video is because of @Gary__Anderson. The comment was specific. The earlier AnythingLLM video was a good high-level overview, but what would be more useful is a series of step-by-step videos for each feature, then advanced how-to videos after that. That is exactly the right packaging. AnythingLLM is too broad for one overview. So this is episode 1. Install, connect Ollama, create a workspace, add documents, ask the first private RAG question, and understand what is local. Start with the finished result. You want AnythingLLM running, Ollama available as the local model route, a workspace created, documents uploaded, and one answer that clearly comes from your files. That is the first useful win. Do not start by exploring every setting. Do not start by turning on agents. First, prove the boring thing works. A document goes in, a question comes out, and the answer is grounded in the workspace material. The source framing is simple. AnythingLLM describes itself as the all-in-one AI app for chatting with docs, using agents, configuring model providers, and supporting multiple users. The GitHub repo is MIT licensed and has a large open-source footprint. But for a beginner, the first mental model is Workspace. A workspace is where your documents, model settings, and chat context come together. If you understand workspaces, the rest of the product starts to make sense. Step 1 is install route. For most beginners, start with the desktop app if that is available for your machine. If you are self-hosting, follow the official Docker route instead. Then install Ollama from ollama.com and pull a model that your machine can actually run. Do not start with the biggest model just because the internet likes it. The first run should be small and reliable. Once Ollama is running, open AnythingLLM and select Ollama as the local model provider. Step 2 is workspace creation. Name the first workspace after one real job, not your entire life. For example, use invoices, customer calls, research notes, or product docs. Keep it narrow. If you dump unrelated PDFs, meeting transcripts, code docs, and random web pages into one workspace, the answers will feel messy. AnythingLLM is strongest when the workspace has a clean purpose. First, make one focused workspace work. Then scale up. Step 3 is document ingestion. Upload 1 or 2 clean files. Wait for processing to finish. Then ask a question where you know the answer is inside the document. That is the simplest RAG test. Do not ask a broad internet question yet. Ask something source-bound. If the answer is wrong, inspect the document, chunking, workspace, model, and retrieval settings. The goal is not to be impressed. The goal is to prove that the system can retrieve from your actual files. Now the privacy question. If you use Ollama locally, the model runs on your machine. If you use the AnythingLLM desktop app or self-hosted route, more of the workflow can stay local. But the exact privacy boundary depends on your install route, embedding provider, vector database, connectors, and model provider. If you connect a cloud LLM or a cloud document source, data can leave the machine. So the honest beginner rule is, use local Ollama for the first test, avoid sensitive documents at the start, and read your provider settings before calling it private. This is why AnythingLLM should be a playlist. Episode 1 is local RAG with Ollama. Episode 2 should cover agents and tools. Episode 3 should cover document workflows, connectors, and cleanup. Episode 4 can get into advanced workspace settings, team usage, and real workflows. Trying to cram all of that into one video makes beginners feel lost. Splitting it into a playlist lets each viewer solve one problem at a time. A few beginner mistakes are easy to avoid. Do not upload your whole hard drive on day 1. Do not start with a model your machine struggles to run. Do not mix a local Ollama model with a cloud embedding or chat provider, and then assume the entire workflow is private. Do not judge AnythingLLM from one messy PDF. Start with clean text, then add harder documents later. If the simple test works, you have a baseline. If the complex test fails, you know the problem is the document or settings, not the entire app. Your first useful run should be boring. Install AnythingLLM. Install Ollama. Pull a model your computer can handle. Create one focused workspace. Upload one clean document. Ask one question that the document can answer. Verify the answer. That is the foundation. Thanks again to @Gary__Anderson for asking for the step-by-step series. This is exactly how these tools become usable for normal people, not just impressive in a 5-minute overview. If you want the next episode, comment agents, documents, or connectors. I will use that to choose the order instead of guessing.